I found this Rooster at a thrift store and I've given it a good scrub. It was a lot darker. I don't know if it was a wax or what was in it, but it's a lot lighter now. It was really dark before. And I just want to brighten it up, and it's kind of like a weird yellowy, taupey kind of color. And I don't like the yellowy tones. So my plan is I'm gonna give it a coat of paint with Algonquin, and then we're going to white wax. So let's get this painted. So I've given it a full coat and a bit. I touched up some spots with Fusion's Algonquin. And now I'm just gonna dry brush some white, and I'm gonna use Picket Fence on top. And I'm just gonna dry brush. So I'm just using a Klingon. This is the R14. And I'm just gonna load it up and then wipe it off. And then just lightly brush it over the top, and that will sit on the high points. There we go. And it's pretty much dry because you're using such little paint and the paint dries so fast. Works really well. So that's it. Simple dry brush. It gives it a lot of character, and it really highlights the feathers and all of the high points. And because I used Fusion, it has a built-in top coat, so I don't need to do anything on top of this. It's done. Good to go.